Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to show your Facebook story with any specific person. This is very quick and easy. Let's jump right in. First of all, open your Facebook and go to your profile menu and now click on settings. Again click on settings. After that, here you can see option account center. Click on this account center and here click on this home sheet. Now here you can see option privacy checkup. Click on this privacy checkup. After that, here you can see who can see what you share. Click on this. After that, click on continue. Now again click on next. Here you can see what you need to do. Here you can see this story. Now click on this public icon. Here you can see. After that, here you can see only your friend and contractions can reply directly to your story. Here you can see what you need to do. Click on this custom icon. Now here you need to add a specific person to show your story. For example, this and this is my four friend to show my story. Now click on back. Now click on save. In this way you can share your story with your any specific person on Facebook. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.